Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the machine safe and getting to the pattern menu. This saves time and prevents surprises. Once parked and hydraulic lockout is cleared, turn the ignition to run so the control module is active. On the operator display, go directly to Settings, then Controls, then Pattern Selection. You do this because the module must be online to accept the change. Otherwise, the switch won't register. Now you're ready to pick the new control pattern. You now select the pattern that matches your workflow. ISO for industry standard left-hand swing, SAE for operator familiarity, or Volvo for manufacturer mapping. Tap the desired pattern on screen or use the joystick selector and press Confirm. This writes to the ECM. Once confirmed, give the system a few seconds to save and recalibrate servo outputs. You'll see a confirmation message. Make sure to cycle the joystick through each axis slowly so the machine learns the new neutral points and avoids abrupt movement. Finish by verifying the new mapping with slow, deliberate inputs. Test boom, stick, bucket, and swing at idle so you feel how the controls respond. If everything moves correctly, shut down and engage your operator lock or PIN to prevent accidental changes, and note the switch in the machine log. If the pattern didn't apply or inputs are erratic, reboot the display and retest. If it still fails, check software level and fuses. Then call service. This troubleshooting step fixes most electronic mapping issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.